Well, hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to upload files in Google Drive or upload folders for that matter in Google Drive. So here what we'll do is for that you have to simply open Google Drive first. So there are three methods to open Google Drive. First of all, you can type in Google Drive here, for example, Google Drive. And if you see the first option, Google Drive, share files online with secure cloud storage, it is google.com Drive. Simply sign in and it will take you to the Google Drive. Because I am already signed in by my Gmail, so it took me to Google Drive immediately. But if you haven't signed in your laptop, then it will ask you for your Gmail ID and your password for signing in. So here what you can see, this is the dashboard of Google Drive. So for example, I want to load or upload this file, this file or maybe this folder, to upload it in Google Drive. So what I'll do is I'll simply go here and I'll resize it so that I can drag and drop my file here. You can see drop files to upload them to my drive. I'll simply release this button. So as you can see, it is uploading, and let me see where it has uploaded. So one upload complete. So you can see this is in the left side, I am on the home page. So here it is not exactly showing all the files here. I have already uploaded it, but it is not showing. It is showing only the dashboard, the home page of this Google Drive. So if I go to my drive here you can see all my files which are actually present. Here in home page you can see it is written suggested files, not all files. So here if I go to my drive, you can see all my files will be there, and the easiest way to see your uploaded file is simply click on date modified and it will show by descending or ascending order. Descending, then you can see it is going for 2017 is the last folder I had uploaded, and you can see the influencing skills just now I had uploaded. It is uploaded here. Well, it is showing date modified, not date uploaded. So when my file was modified, that date only it is showing. So it's okay, but recently I had uploaded, so it is showing this thing. So this is how you can see all your files over here. For example, if I want to upload a folder, let me see what I can do. The same influencing skills folder I would like to upload, simply drag and drop here. Let me see. You can see 0 of 49, all these things are getting uploaded. It's taking a while because this has a lot of files inside that folder. Is gradually uploading 48 or 49, and yes, one upload complete. And here you can see influencing skills folder is available. If I double click here, all my files will be shown inside that influencing skills folder. So this is how you upload files and folders in Google Drive. Let me tell you another method. That is, if you want to go for new, it will ask you for a new folder or file upload or folder upload. This is also one of the way. You can simply go for file upload and the traditional way how we upload our files. I'll go to my folder. For example, this is desktop, and I'll simply go for influencing skills. Let me see. Yeah, this is the file. If I double click it, then it will start uploading. So two uploads. So again, influencing skills is uploaded. So this is how you can upload. Same goes with folder also. So if we click here, it will upload the folder as well. So friends, this is how you can upload files and folders on Google Drive. It's a very useful feature of Google where you can easily share, upload or retrieve your files at a later date easily by uploading it here. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. Till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.